How is he still in the lead? How's he? Wait, he actually be scoring? Oh my goodness, hold on. Maybe he deserves to be in the league. Hold on, maybe I spoke too fast. What's he doing? Put back? Oh, maybe he's like that. Oh shit. Huh. My bad, I shouldn't have said he should be the lead. No, he's wildin'. Hold on. Giannis' little brother play like this? I've never seen these highlights. I only see him missing. Nah, he might be next up. Okay.